large populations in many of the emerging countries are engaged in agriculture. So in India, 90% of the farmers who are there are small and marginal farmers. And agriculture per se is exposed to many vulnerabilities that are outside the control of the farmer. So for example, you are dependent on monsoon, you are dependent on fertilizer prices, logistics availability. Let's say you are in perishables and there is a limitation of cold storage or temperature controlled vehicles. And therefore you require support to run those activities, right? But if you go deeper, you'll realize that there are strategic benefits. And the first strategic benefit you get is food security. Food and fuel become very necessary for your economic independence. You have people with smaller landholdings, their access to capital is any which way limited. So what you are trying to do is incentivizing them to continue doing that activity so that there is enough production. Another advantage, which is your ability to manage inflation. If you have domestic production, you can put checks and balances around it to control inflation.